That's a marker. Sharpening a pencil.
He wants his yogurt chips. Yeah.
This works perfectly fine. This is pretty. Don't want to raise a sharp go in your eye. Kill you. Kill you. Did you find one? Woo! Hi, Spike! Oh my god.
What?
That just hit me in the eye.
What did?
The lead is stuck. And it hit me in the eye.
Yeah.
I was trying to get it out. God, who knew schoolwork was so dangerous for your eyes? Why? Why did that happen? All because I needed a fucking pencil. I got it! Yay! Oh, okay, so now you bring me a sharpened
right
pencil.
down there on the floor. I just saw it.
Mother! I'm getting really aggravated with this. And all I'm just trying to do is just find a pencil. I don't know why I got so hyper all of a sudden.
Sugar.
Sugar, sugar. Do, 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 do. Oh, honey, honey. You are my candy girl. And I want da da da.
You should have left the goddamn thing alone.
You should have left me alone with my lead
You should
eye.
have safety glasses.
I should be wearing my glasses. You're right. That would have prevented all of this shit from happening. This pencil just doesn't want to be sharpened. I'm sorry. It's against sharpening, clearly. Yeah. Or you're terrifying.
No. Yeah.
I don't know. I thought we've had it for years.
No.
I don't know. Think I have a memory like that? I do, but I don't. And it broke.
Yeah.
I don't like these pencils very much. I mean, they break too easily, but I like how I have, like, unlimited lead. In a nutshell. Oh, thanks so much, Mama.